We'll see how this works, right? Hey, it's Sarah. I came home from work today and realized I haven't emptied my dishwasher since the weekend. It's now Tuesday, so I'm gonna do that for you. Step 1. Make macaroni and cheese. Step 2. Go get a bowl and realize that you used them all. Step 3. Open your dishwasher and find a bowl. This one looks good. Step 4. Scoop up your macaroni and cheese for dinner. Yum! Step 5. Feed your cat. Good kitty. Step 6. Eat your dinner. Forget what step you're on, because it doesn't really matter anyway, and open up that dishwasher. Briefly contemplate what you're going to start with, and decide on doing plates. Grab your plates. The more fingers, the merrier. Make space in your cabinet for all of your dishes. Realize you forgot some dishes and put them away. Hooray! Next, shake off all the water that gets stuck on stuff. Now grab the bowl and put it in the cabinet. There it goes. Now grab things that go in the baking drawer and put them in the baking drawer. You did it! Now make a wish and watch your silverware magically get where it needs to go. Wow! It's just like magic! Start on the top drawer. Put away the glasses first. Not those glasses. Fabulous! Next, pick up all the stuff that you wish could make you a margarita right now. Ask your cat why he has to go outside. Put away all the bowls that you could have used earlier for your macaroni and cheese. Knock stuff over. Lament once again that you can't use the thing you knocked over to make a margarita because you used up the tequila last weekend. Put away all this other stuff. You did it! You emptied the dishwasher. Now make a wish that your cat could load the dishwasher. Thanks, Beam Beam.